this is Wendy Means from Smiles and Swirls. I've been experimenting with acrylic pouring. It's very fun. I'm still a beginner, so I'm trying to do it very cheaply. So I'm using cheap paint, folk art paint. I'm using glue, white glue, like Elmer's white glue, and water, and I put equal parts in each of my little cups. So I'm not doing it like an exact science like some people do. I'm just sort of experimenting till I get the paint to flow pretty well. And I've painted this beach scene. It's kind of one of the canvases I sort of did a painting, didn't really like it, and then just went over it with a brush, and then I just added a bit more sand, so kind of have a background already. I'm trying for this beach scene again, so let's see what happens. So I'm just gonna pour, like, I'm gonna do that there, I'm gonna pour, and I'm just gonna see what happens. To me, trying something new is so important in life. And this has been so much fun, just pouring paint on canvas. It just takes away any, like, thinking that it has to be a certain way, or I don't know. It's just super fun. I recommend you try something new today and see what happens. So I'm just pouring it on the canvas. And then I'm going to tilt it. Okay, so I've got lots of paint on there. I'm just going to put a few darks at the top, maybe a little bit there, and then I'm going to go for it. I'm not going to put the brown on this time. I'm just going to see what happens. So I'm just going to tilt it now. See what happens. I feel like I have a lot of paint on here for the amount of canvas I have. It's just a small canvas. Just tilting to see what happens. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my brush just to smooth it out because I feel like I have so much on there. Going to smooth it out. Ooh, now I'm getting some cool things happening. It's really pretty. Kind of looks like when you marble, you do marbling. Okay, now I'm just going to lift it up and let it go for it. Lift it up so you can see it. So pretty. Hi there, back again. So I held this up for quite a while and let it just drip, like I held it straight up and moved it around and let the paint move, and this is what happened. I'm quite happy with it. I know I keep trying for a beach scene, but this is so much more beautiful. I really don't think I needed that painting underneath, but it was a good way to use a canvas that I wasn't using for anything else that I had already painted on. So there you go. I hope you give this a try. It's super fun to do. It's so relaxing watching the paint just sort of ooze down, and yeah, I just find it really relaxing and fun. So I hope you give it a try.